In this video, we will learn how to use affirmations and negations in the past, present, and the future. So at the end of this video, you will be able to say things like was busy, is busy, will be busy, was not busy, is not busy, and will not be busy. So if these are expressions that you would want to learn how to say in Japanese language, then this video is for you. What I find important for you to be aware of is that there are two types of adjectives in Japanese language, the ones that end in the hiragana I and the ones that do not end in the hiragana I. When it comes to the first category, busy is a great example. In Japanese, busy would be isogashi, isogashi. As you could see, there is that hiragana I at the end. When it comes to the second category, quiet is a great example. In Japanese, quiet would be shizuka, shizuka. If you want to say was busy, what you do is the following. You take the adjective, cut the last I, add katta, and add this. So it would be isogashikatta desu, isogashikatta desu. If you want to say was quiet, what you do is the following. You take the adjective and add deshita. So it would be shizuka deshita, shizuka deshita. If you want to say is busy, it's very simple. You take the adjective and add this. So it would be isogashii desu, isogashii desu. If you want to say is quiet, it's just as simple. You take the adjective and add this. So it would be shizuka desu, shizuka desu. If you want to say will be busy, what you do is the following. You take the adjective, cut the last I, add ku, and add naru desho. So it would be isogashiku naru desho, isogashiku naru desho. If you want to say will be quiet, what you do is the following. You take the adjective, add ni, and add naru desho. So it would be shizuka ni naru desho, shizuka ni naru desho. If you want to say was not busy, what you do is the following. You take the adjective, cut the last I, add ku, and add nakatta desu. So it would be isogashiku nakatta desu, isogashiku nakatta desu. If you want to say was not quiet, what you do is the following. You take the adjective, add dewa, and add nakatta desu. So it would be shizuka dewa nakatta desu, shizuka dewa nakatta desu. If you want to say is not busy, what you do is the following. You take the adjective, cut the last I again, add ku, and add nai desu. So it would be isogashiku nai desu, isogashiku nai desu. If you want to say is not quiet, this is what you do. You take the adjective, add dewa, and add nai desu. So it would be shizuka dewa nai desu, shizuka dewa nai desu. If you want to say will not be busy, this is what you do. You take the adjective, cut the last I again, add ku, and add naranai desho. So it would be isogashiku naranai desho, isogashiku naranai desho. If you want to say will not be quiet, what you do is the following. You take the adjective, add ni, and add naranai desho. So it would be shizuka ni naranai desho, shizuka ni naranai desho. Alright, now these are the patterns that you would generally need to follow if you want to build structures like that. However, this is a language and nothing makes a rule more beautiful than exceptions. And here are a few exceptions that I can think of. Exceptions would be words like kire, yume, and fume. When it comes to these words, even if they have that hiragana I at the end, in practice, they would behave as if they wouldn't have a hiragana I at the end. So for this reason, these adjectives would not follow the blue pattern, and instead they will follow the yellow pattern. What I would say about these exceptions is that these exceptions are pretty rare, so if you're a beginner, it's totally fine if you don't bother with them too much, because at that level, simplicity is more important than 100% accuracy. However, if you're a nerd and you really want to understand what's the deal of these exceptions, then I encourage you to check out this video, because in this video, I cover specifically these exceptions. Alright everyone, that makes it for this lesson. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope to see you in my next lessons. Have a great day.